Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself dealing with a jumble of inconsistent capital letters in a Google Sheet, maybe you've copied in data from different sources or everyone on your team has their own style, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to make your life a whole lot easier by showing you how to automatically change the case of text in Google Sheets, whether you want everything in all caps, all lowercase, or just proper capitalization like for names. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 quick formulas, upper, lower, and proper, that can save you so much manual editing time. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about converting your text to all uppercase letters. Imagine you've got someone's name or even a product title sitting in cell B2, but it's written in random capitalization. Maybe the first letter is lowercase, or some letters are capitalized halfway through. If you want it all in capital letters, you'll use the upper function. Here, what you do, just click on the cell where you want the converted text to appear, then type equals upper open parenthesis B2 close parenthesis, exactly like this, equals upper B2, go ahead and press enter. Instantly, whatever is in B2 will appear in your chosen cell, but now in all caps. It's a super effective way to make headings, product codes, or anything that needs to stand out with strong, uniform capitalization. And if you need to update the source text later, don't worry. The formula will automatically update as well, so you're always working with the latest info. Now let's move on to the opposite situation, turning everything into lowercase letters. Sometimes, especially with things like email addresses, website links, or data that just needs to be consistent, you want everything in lowercase. Let's say your original text is sitting in cell B6. To convert it, click your target cell and type equals lower B6. When you hit enter, you'll see that everything is now in gentle, uniform lowercase, perfect for when case sensitivity matters or you just want things to look tidy and predictable. And remember, you're not changing the original data, just how it appears in this new location, so you can always compare or revert if you need to. Last but not least, let's tackle the proper function. This one is perfect for names, addresses, or even the titles of books, anywhere you'd expect the first letter of each word to be capitalized. Picture a cell, say F6, with something like John Doe or The Great Gatsby. To neatly format it, you'll type equals proper F6, hit enter, and you'll see the magic, John Doe or The Great Gatsby. It automatically gives every word the correct initial capital and puts the rest of the letters in lowercase. This is especially useful if you've imported data that's all in uppercase, or someone didn't bother with capitals. Proper makes it look, well, proper again. And that's honestly all there is to it. With just these 3 formulas, upper, lower, and proper, you can whip any messy text into shape in seconds. No more manual retyping, no more squinting at inconsistent formatting. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or there's another Google Sheets trick you'd like to learn, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.